Welcome back to Heavy Haul HQ. We've had a bit of an incident here. We have the Ranger and a pony motor that have dead batteries in them. So we've gotten a couple of VTOMAN. This is a battery box, has a flashlight on it, a bunch of other things. So we're about to go test it on the Danger Ranger and on the pony motors on one of these used trailers up here because it was giving us just an absolute fit. So stand by 1 second and we'll be right back doing a demonstration on that. We got several sizes. This one's just a jump starter. This one's dual jump starter tire inflator. This one's a portable power station, which I actually like that, pretty cool. And then this one, which does kind of everything. It has the jump starter. Show him how to plug that in. Oh, and he's got his six-figured Mafia shirt on. That's our buddy over there. All right, so then it'll light up and tell you what it's doing. So let's scramble on down to the pony motors and stuff. So the first one was this Talbert. You can see the neck is on the ground. It's got probably a hydraulic bypass in the neck somewhere. And I don't know if it has fuel in it, but we're gonna check. So the battery was completely dead on this. So I've already used this test box on here once. And so we're gonna see, wait a minute. Yeah, it's fine. They took one of the cylinders loose because they're gonna repack it or whatever, but we can still check the pony motor because this battery was dead as a doornail. Red to positive, black to negative. So that's good. It works fantastically on pony motors. Try it without that, or did they already replace the battery? They may have already replaced the battery. All right, so then we're gonna walk over here, me and Josh, to the Danger Ranger. It's an 07 Ford Ranger. It's been sitting for about 6 months, so every time we park it, we're up here trying to sell it, and nobody wants to pay for it. They want something for free, which I don't blame them. Everybody wants something for free, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But either way, we had an offer on the Danger Ranger, so we are going to attempt to crank the motor, and let's just do this all on camera. All right, so let's try to start this battery. Do it again. Yeah, you can hear the clicking. All right, let's pop the hood. That is one sharp looking Ranger. All we need is $7,000 for it. All right, so Josh is gonna pop the hood open, all this stuff. It's actually very good, very nice little machine. Like I said, I tried it on the the Nissan Frontier, and I've tried it on this Ranger. That's how I got the darn Ranger up here. So I know it works good, but here we're gonna do it live on camera just so you can see that these things are handy. I have one actually in my Grand Cherokee, so I don't have to have jumper cables. If somebody needs a jump, all I gotta do is just pop out this bad boy, or I can charge my phone with it. So he's gonna go try to crank it. And it's really just as simple as that. You just get it and it just cranks it right up. It's just as simple as that. About the easiest thing you'll do all week. So I've got one on my Grand Cherokee and I just keep that thing with me everywhere I go. So we'll hop back over. I want to open up the other packages and see how they look and then have a nice day. Yeah, and this is mostly a heavy haul channel, but I know all the heavy haul people still have personal vehicles and they still have, pony motors. And that thing's great for a pony motor. Of course, if your pony motor is dead, replace the battery. That's my suggestion. But having one of these could save you from missing a load or missing, your deadline to get to the next load. The pony motor goes dead and you are SOL, and we all know what that stands for. Slipping on luck. All right, so we're back to the Fontaine Workhorse. This is a 55 LCC with the 18-inch loaded deck height and the 55-ton rated frame. We're back with Madman Josh here. He's awesome. Thank you for helping me, Josh. And I just want to open up these other products and see kind of what they're about, what are they doing. Oh, look at him. He's got them going easily open. So this one's called the GOOLOO. Why is one called VTOMAN and one called GOOLOO? Anyways, if y'all are wanting any of these, I'll set some links to them and everything. But that's the product there, and I'll set some links. Oh, that is actually nice. So it's a little compact one, and this one's jump starter only, and it's GT 3000, so probably like 3000 cranking amps, and it'll tell you all the specs and everything. That is beautifully nice. I like that red color.
The light too.
Light on it. Can it charge? Oh yeah, the light's actually very bright. The flashes, everything else. All right, and then can you charge your phones? Everybody wants to know, can you charge your phones on it, I'm sure. So you can charge that there. What's here? So you got your charging ports here, so you can charge your phone with it, and you have your jumper cables right here. All right, what else we got? This one is probably the one I like. It's kind of compact, and it has a tire inflator, because I have to have two in my car. I have one for tire inflator and one for jump box, so I may swap over to this one in my Grand Cherokee or something, you know. And this one has tire inflator, so you have a hose that can go right here, flashlight, charge your phone or other accessory. All right, so can we see the hoses maybe on it?
Tire inflator, maybe charger.
Oh,
The hoses, yeah.
so it's dual tire.
Right.
So that's the tire inflator there and nothing else. So the only one that can do both is this VTOMAN.
This one? No.
It's a 4250 cranking amps, 160 PSI air compressor. So this one can do both. That's the one we just tested. And then now he's opening this one. The unboxing is actually pretty nice. These GOOLOOs are actually very, very nice products, you know. And this one's a power bank, no?
Oh yeah.
That is a massive power bank. Can it do jump starting or anything? Oh, so you can actually plug in with like a...
This is your in and out. This is an out only. These are.
In and out. So you could charge it this way or this way. And then you could plug a whole, probably not a hairdryer, but you could plug some small appliances, your battery charger, laptop.
Like that.
That would be pretty slick.
Yeah.
All right, so I like that. So those are some really cool products. Like I said, I'll link them down in my bio. Also, if you need me for any heavy haul trailers, parts, service, or the other stuff, we do lots of Apatong flooring. We do parts for heavy hauls and all types of trailers. And we sell Fontaine, Landoll, Trail King, Kalyn, Siebert, Eager, Beaver, and Winston trailers. So you can see like the little pintle hook trailers, if it'll quit face tracking me. Pintle hook trailers right over here. Kalyn, Siebert's right behind me. Landoll's behind me, and all the rest. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have safe travels on your journeys. Please be safe out there on the roads, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Yo, it's Hefty Haul HQ, rolling with the crew, moving those big loads. Yeah, you know how we do. We got the ribs, the power, the mic.